Hello everyone friends, Weller here. Today I'll show you how to connect two Epic Games accounts. So actually, Epic Games developers disabled this feature back in 2019. Yeah, for regular use, but still, you can try doing it through support. To do this, we type Epic Games. Here we go to the site. And here we need to scroll all the way down. And here you need to click on support. Epic Games support, where's support? Safety and security, maybe that's it. Yes. Here, next we need to click on help and type in connection or merge. Account merging. Let's try that. There. Here people might answer, but usually it's AI. So it gives you a link saying you can't merge accounts, but you can click the contact button and connect with a live operator. Right, I need real operators. There. And then try to resolve the issue with them. C, do you want to contact our specialist? Click yes. And you can write via email. Click and a ticket gets sent from the account I'm logged into. And through email you can explain your situation and try to merge the accounts. There's no other way right now, that's all. This was Weller. Bye everyone.